Picture this, you're running 5 campaigns across 3 channels and someone asks what's actually working. You freeze. You have no idea. With Vyroq's LeadGen Analytics, that question gets an instant answer. Open the Insights page and click the Analytics tab. 4 numbers greet you immediately. Discovery campaigns, outreach campaigns, prospects 30'd, and replies 30'd. Your whole pipeline's pulse at a glance. Scroll to outreach breakdown. Every campaign is listed with its mode, how many messages were sent, how many opens, how many clicks, and the number that matters most, replies. No more digging through 5 different dashboards. Right below it, discovery breakdown. Every prospecting campaign, its status, and its running prospects count. Are you actually filling the top of the funnel or just spinning wheels? Nothing here is stale either. Hit refresh and the whole view reloads live. Straight from your real send logs, not a snapshot from last week. That's the difference between guessing and knowing. Real numbers, 1 screen, 0 spreadsheets. Stop guessing what's working. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.